One of the things that I love about my job is being able to test new products and share it with you guys. So today I have here the Writech pens. So let's take a deeper look at each of them. The first set I want to show you guys is our liquid fineliner pens. The pack comes with a variety of sizes from 005 to 08 that is perfect for everyday writing, journaling, and scrapbooking. It also comes with a nice brush pen and a number 20 pen that has a flat tip for scripts like italic. Next, let's look at their erasable highlighters, and this pack comes with 12 beautiful assorted colors. One side has your highlighter, and if you ever make a mistake, you can always use the eraser on the other side. These are their neon and pastel muted colors, which I love. I can't wait to use these for my travel journal or when I'm reading a book. As you can see, they're easy to use and just as easy to erase. Last but not least, here are their signed brush pens in their vintage color set. These are water-based and have a fine, flexible tip so you can get those nice thicks and thins. I love this tip because it has just the right amount of flex so that you can still control your strokes. I personally love brush pens because they're so convenient when I'm out and about. I love writing in color, and you can definitely practice pointy pen scripts like copperplate or Spencerian. I hope you guys check out these pens and give them a try.